Okay, big 3, 2, 1 boom here. Going to start out a little Energy Boom 101, fast and furious. We're going to talk about, of course, crude oil and cannabis, since this is the confluence. And you've heard this BS before, so bear with me. So today we're going to cover what happened on Wall Street with the cannabis stocks, which you can see the four that we track all ended up today. Two of them ended up pretty strong. Let's start here. CBIS, which is cannabis science, up 2%, medical marijuana up 10%, Grow Life up 11%, and hemp up 4%. So of the four stocks that we cover here at Energy Boom 101, to bring you the breaking story of the confluence, of course, two of them have growth in single digits, and two have growth in double digits, and that definitely qualifies for, as far as the deep breathing exercises we've talked about here at Energy Boom 101 that go in sync with how Wall Street trades marijuana stocks. We're going to call that a nice, sweet inhalation today. Some good value, some good wealth created there. So let's go through our deep breathing exercises to start off this episode. We're only a minute into it, and this thing's going to be lucky to last 5 minutes. There it is, in. You're going to hold it. And then tomorrow we'll let you know if we're going to exhale or continue to inhale. So we'll see. So that's it for today as far as the deep breathing and as far as the cannabis plays on the street today. Now we'll switch over from cannabis to crude, because there's this lovely little article I'm going to tell you guys about, written by this gentleman named Keith Schaefer, and he puts out the Oil and Gas Investment Bulletin. And here's what's crazy: I don't subscribe to it yet. I just get whatever he sends out free, but his information is so good and so valuable that I'm going to recommend that you subscribe to it, and I will someday when I get the money. But it's a great piece on Argentina. So let's go inside. By the way, quick shot here. Look, the kids at Boom U going nuts. They're crazy here. The kids here are nutso. Their minds are on fire. But we're going back inside. And we're going to show you what's going on in Argentina, because we think there's a really good opportunity, a good trade opportunity, but I got to turn down AC/DC first. They're about to rock. Now, we'll get back to them when it's time for the 21-gun salute. We'll kill enough time to where we can return to the 21-gun salute and finish the episode with that. So now, once again, reiterating, in case you already forgot, this is Energy Boom 101. We attempt to connect crude to consciousness, one gusher at a time. And we've done a few other things. We just gave you an update on the four stocks on Wall Street that we follow to track how the confluence is coming together from the cannabis end. Now we're going to give you just a little sample of how we're tracking the energy boom from the crude end, and it comes from this newsletter which talks about Argentina. So here it is in a nutshell. Try and keep up. Argentina, lovely little spot right down here, is enjoying robust investment from big oil. This began probably a year ago, and let me just list to you who's investing and how much they're investing. You've got Shell has invested $500 million. That's what that's their capital outlay for 2014. You've got Chevron investing $1.2 billion. You have ExxonMobil investing $250 million. You have Apache investing $200 million. You have Total, France, investing $400 million. And you have some outfit I've never heard of called Wintershall, which is investing $3.3 billion. The point of this gentleman's article, and he states it ever so succinctly, is that all of those investing dollars, which are huge, which are going into Argentina, are going to ignite the share prices of some of the smaller junior oil companies down there in Argentina drilling. Well, guess who's down there in Argentina drilling? Apco, you've heard of them. APAGF. Anyway, Apco used to be at 90 bucks a share. Now they're at 15 a share. If you think that all this new money coming into Argentina is going to ignite Apco's share price, and it may even return to its previous lofty heights of $90 a share, now would be a hell of a time to place that bet. So that's the big news from the crude end, and we can, of course, connect that to Oklahoma, because remember, kids, Apco is 75% owned by who? WPX Energy, out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Get ready for this. Coming up here, there's Oklahoma. Tulsa's up there. WPX used to be called Williams. They spun off into Williams Company's pipeline, basically, and then WPX, which is dedicated to their energy. WPX, very respected energy producer, and they own 77% of Apco, who's in Argentina, trading at $15 a share and may someday garner the attention of $90 a share traders. I guess time will tell. But that is the thought today from the confluence. We gave you some cannabis updates with the Wall Street market wrap. We gave you a lovely little look at a possible big trade opportunity in the crude world. We're also finishing the AC/DC like we promised you, so we're going to get all the salutes in here. Here it comes. Here's the big one. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We'll see you tomorrow.